Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is Mike, KO4PDI, and I'm out in front of my house again. I'm packing to go to Wisconsin. I'm leaving tomorrow morning. By this time tomorrow, I'll be in Charlotte, and then by about noon, I'll be in Wisconsin tomorrow. So this is my last chance to do a satellite pass from my home. We're going to try the ISS. The antenna on the tower is moving there right now, so I'm going to get ready with my radio. And let's see if we can make some contacts before I head off to Wisconsin. Here's my Arrow 2 antenna, along with my Retrievus RT3S. And we're going to turn the squelch down and start listening for contacts. It's pretty low in the sky right now. The house is in the way, so I won't be getting anything right this minute. We'll give it a second or two. We should start hearing people when the satellite reaches about 10 degrees above the horizon, the satellite being the International Space Station. So we're going to try to make this contact today before I head off to Wisconsin. And then when I get to Wisconsin, I'm bringing all this stuff with me, so you get to see me do it up there too. Let's see how it works out. Right now, the antenna on the tower has already pointed in the direction of the ISS, although the ISS is not high enough yet to get above my house. I'll have to wait a few seconds for that. Turn down the volume in the meantime. So yeah, we're going to try to make some contacts. I got my trusty old expensive tripod here with my Arrow 2 antenna. This is all coming with me to Wisconsin if it fits in my suitcase. Let's hope it fits. In the meantime, we'll just sit tight and be patient, and we should start hearing something soon. The ISS is rising to the northwest of me, and it's going to set over there. So you'll see me spin this around this way. It's going to be a 57-degree pass. It's right now at 2 degrees. So we should have it for a while, and I'm going to try to make some contacts. Let's see how we make out, all right? All right, so I'm looking at the antenna on the house. Actually, you could probably see that too. Let me come over there and show you what I'm looking at, because we're not ready to start making contacts yet anyway. So let's flip the camera around. Okay, so right there you can see the antenna on top of my tower. Filming it right now. My camera keeps going dark on my phone. I think it's because it's so damn hot out here. But yeah, so that's where the antenna's pointing now. Let's see if we can make some contacts. Just starting to hear people. ISS is only at 12 degrees. I'm already hearing them. That's pretty cool. It would be cool if I got a astronaut contact today, huh? Kilo Oscar 4 Papa Delta India portable Echo Lima 99.
4 Romeo Alpha.
Just barely hearing people. Kilo Oscar 4 Papa Delta India portable Echo Lima 99.
4 Romeo Alpha, Echo Lima 99. KN4 UMQ portable.
KN4 UMQ KO4PDI Echo Lima 99 QSL.
KN4 UMQ portable W4RA Echo Lima 99. QSL EM95.
KN4 UMQ KO4PDI Echo Lima 99.
RAA WB5H JV Echo Mike 20. Tennessee. India 5 Sierra Whiskey Hotel Echo Mike 53 NA1S Aspen. W4BKX Echo Mike 75. 4 Romeo Alpha Alpha Echo Lima 99. W4 Romeo Alpha Alpha WB5H JV.
WB5HJV KO4PDI Echo Lima 99 portable.
4 UMQ portable. W5HJV W4AA.
Everybody's giving up.
PDI
November 2 Fox Yankee Alpha KO4PDI.
July 73. I'll give you a call on grid, please. Echo Mike 20, Echo Mike 20. Full call. Whiskey Bravo 5. Hotel Juliet. Hotel Juliet what? Echo Mike 75. B as in Victor, B as in Victor. B as in Victor, thank you, good luck.
Kilo Oscar 4, Papa Delta India Portable, Echo Lima 99.
Papa Lima Romeo, Echo Mike. Kilo 4 PDI, W4KSY, EM74.
W4KSY, KO4 PDI, Echo Lima 99, QSL, Terry.
Have a good. 54 Romeo Alpha, Echo Lima 99. Papa Lima Romeo. KSY and 2FYA. At 2FYA, W4KSY, good morning again, John. W4YA, Echo Lima 99. F4 UJU Mobile.
UJU Mobile, KO4 PDI. Talking to the ISS.
F4 UJU Mobile, FM 07.
W4 UJU, KO4 PDI, Echo Lima 99.
Mobile station, give call again, AA. QSL, KF4 UJ. I got KF4 something, say again.
KF4 UJU, KO4 PDI, Echo Lima 99.
KF4 UJU, FM 07, copy, Echo Lima 99 from W4AA, thank you.
W4RAA, KO4 PDI.
KF4 PDI, W4AA, Echo Lima 99.
Roger, Roger, also Echo Lima 99.
4 Oscar Sierra Echo Lima 87.
So what I'm doing, I'm talking to the ISS. That's my buddy John up in Connecticut. November 2, Fox Yankee Alpha, KO4 PDI, and I'm filming.
Spaceship.
That's what I'm doing.
HJV from Whiskey 4 Bravo Bravo.
Whiskey 4 Bravo Bravo, KO4 PDI.
Oh, Echo Mike 20.
USL Fox Mike 04, thank you.
Thank you, sir. Whiskey 4 Bravo Bravo, Echo Whiskey 4 Radio Alpha.
Everybody's calling the same guy now. My neighbor's here watching.
4 Alpha Alpha from Whiskey 4 Bravo Bravo, QSL, and Fox Mike 04.
And the call is Whiskey 4 Romeo Alpha Alpha.
Whiskey 4 Romeo Alpha Alpha, got it that time, thank you.
Thank you, good luck, sir.
Whiskey 4 Bravo Bravo, KO4 PDI Portable.
Whiskey 4 Bravo Bravo, W4KSY, good morning, Steven.
Yeah,
W4KSY from Whiskey 4 Bravo Bravo, hey Terry, good to hear you again.
this guy's not hearing me.
Have a good.
Whiskey 4 Bravo Bravo, this is Kilo Oscar 4, Papa Delta India, Echo Lima 99, QSL. I don't think I got him.
Whiskey 4 Bravo Bravo, QSL.
Whiskey 4 Bravo Bravo, Kilo Oscar 4, Papa Delta India, Echo Lima 99.
KF4 PDI from Whiskey 4 Bravo
He
Bravo,
got me.
QSL.
QSL, have a great day.
99, W4IA, Echo Lima 99.
W4IA, KO4 PDI, Echo Lima 99.
QSL, thank you.
All right. Well, I think we did all right there. We got a bunch of QSOs. I got to go in and transport them. I'll see you guys later. KO4 PDI 73.